All right, so today is September 10th. So you're going to click here. And today you're going to be making just a little Google slide just to help me again get to know you a little bit more. I've really enjoyed seeing your slides from today. I'll be commenting on those tonight to return to you tomorrow. So what I would recommend is every day, again, go to classwork, which if you did that, you would be here already. Click on the date, September 10th, and then go down to view, click on view assignment. When you do this, this pops up. Over here in the top right corner, right here, this is where you can click on your Google slide to create your own. I've made a copy for each of you. So, and once you create your Google slide, you don't have to share it with me. It automatically goes back to me, which is kind of cool. So you're going to click there, complete your Google slide, and then come back to this page right here. And you will need to finish this Algebra 1 review. It says Wednesday, but it will be Thursday. So you're going to complete this review. And then if you read right here, you're going to have to submit your answer using a picture or a scanned PDF. So that's where if you have the app on your phone, the Google Classroom app on your phone, I think you're going to like doing this a little bit more from your phone. So once you've done your slide and once you've done this, you might want to grab your phone so that you can actually upload your picture. So here you're going to press if you add. Now, if you were on your phone, they would have many more options here. It would say take a picture, choose a picture. So you can actually press add and then like take a picture will be right here on your phone. Take a picture of your work and then go to turn in, and then it will actually submit your assignment to me. Now, let's say you accidentally submit something again and you're not really happy with it, or you submitted it and you shouldn't have yet. Click on submit, and then you can actually add this in. So today, you should be turning two things in, your Google slide and then also your assignment. So you can as like the actual work from your assignment. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask, but you do have two things that you need to be turning into me today. This Google slide and then this assignment with the work attached. We'll be working more with that tomorrow as well, just to keep you, I need to make sure that you understand how to do that for the upcoming assignments. So any questions, let me know. If not, have a great Thursday.